Hello Nurse, we've got a few sound games for us to play today. The first one, I would like you to reuse your sound dice from last week. I've just redone that with some of this week's sounds. So I've added the y in and I've added the for us as well. And again, using all those sounds we've already learnt for good practice, try and remember all those sounds. Then I have just found my sound wall and I just thought we could have a go at rolling the dice. See what letter it lands on. Then I'm going to try and find it on my sound mat, the sound wall. So if you haven't got one of these already at home, there might have been one in your home learning pack. If not, see if your grown-up can help you by writing out all the letters we've been learning and then try and use it as a counter to mark it off, or as mine's laminated, I've just got a pen and I'm going to use like a bingo board. So we landed on the so I'm just going to pop a line and I found my sound all the way through. So we found that one. Then I'm going to roll the dice again. What sound? Yeah, brilliant. Then I'm going to find it on my sound wall. Where is it? Is it this one? No. I know, it's definitely this one. No. G for gate. G for garden. Here it is. So I'm going to pop my line through that. And I found two sounds so far. Roll my dice again. Oh, it's landed on a S. Now we know that one. It reminds me today because the sun is shining and sun starts with a S. So let's find it on our sound wall. The line through it. There you are, nursery. You can carry on playing these at home. Don't forget, if you haven't got a sound wall, just draw one out, write down those letters for me, or ask your grown-up to help. Find a counter, or again, just mark off like a bingo board with a pen. Game 1. Then game 2 for us. Again, we're going to have to make our resources for this, but we're getting good at that by now. Find yourself some paper. And I'm going to make some snap cards. So I'm then just going to cut my paper into rectangles. Actually, they're turning more into squares from the way I've cut the A4 paper here. So we're actually making square snap cards, but make them any shape you want. Then I'm going to think of some of those letter sounds we have been learning, and I'm going to have a go at writing them on there. See if you can have a go at writing them too. If not, don't forget to ask a grown-up at home for help, and I'm sure they can help you. So let's have a go at writing those letter sounds. I'm going to do a S. Now for snap, you need to match it with the other sound the same. So I'm going to have a go at writing this again so I know they can snap together. So whatever sound I choose, I want to make sure I've written that down twice, 2 times. Let me just quickly write down some more for you. Don't forget the practice of writing these sounds is still part of your game. It's you being the grown-up and having a go at setting up your own playing time. So I've got at to start with. What's this letter sound? Well done. I remember that's for frog class. And one of our new sounds. X, x. And I'm going to include one more of our new sounds into this game. So, I've got Z. Don't forget to make as many of these as you can and include as many sounds as you can into your game. See if anybody at home can play with you. If not, like me, I'll have to play with my teddy here because I have nobody here to play the game with me, but I'm sure that at home you'll have a grown-up there that would help you play your game. If not, include your teddies in as well, those dolls or your dinosaurs. So, then we need to spread out our cards and give one, start divide them up into each player. So I'm just separating my cards, ready to play. And let's hope we've done that. So I've got 2 players, and I've got 2 piles. Then we're going to just lay them down. Don't look at them, don't cheat. When they come down, place it on the table, say the sound. And then the next person takes a turn, finds a card in the pile, puts it down. Zzz. Is it the same? No, so we carry on playing until someone shouts, snap! X. Snap! Because they are both the same sound. Have a go at playing Snap at home nursery, or turn these into a game of pairs. You've already written out 2 of each sound. If there's more players as well, you can add more in. Place them down on the table, all of them with their letter shape facing the table. We don't want to see it, cover it up. Place them down. Once they're placed down, take it in turns. We normally start with the oldest or the youngest. So whoever in your game, in your circle, is the oldest, they can go first. Mrs. French, so I will go first. I turn over a card. I say the sound, and I look for another one. Do they match? Are they a pair? No. Your turn. You turn over a card. Do yours match? Are they the same? Are they a pair? Yes, they do. Brilliant. Well done. Now Mrs. French's turn again. I'm going to find another one. And at the moment, I haven't seen many of these letter shapes, so I don't know where they are. I'm just going to guess. Yes, a pair. I found a match. They go together. So I can keep that pair, and I've got 1 set of cards. Carry on playing so you can match them all up. Don't forget, once you set this up, you can have a go at playing this on your own and trying to match those pairs if you haven't got anybody at home to play with. Have fun making these resources. They are quite simple to make, so hopefully you enjoy doing that. And have fun learning those sounds. Don't forget to sing all those new letter sounds and the songs that we have learnt this week. And then for next week, we're going to have a go at just playing all our phonics games before the end of term. So, hope you've remembered them. We will revisit them very soon. Enjoy your phonics this week, nursery, and I'll see you soon. Bye.